Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Prime Video on Smart TV. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate Prime Video on your Smart TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your Smart TV and navigate to the home screen. Locate the App Store specific to your TV brand. Search for the Prime Video app in the App Store. Once you find the app, select it and choose the option to install or download. After the installation is complete, open the Prime Video app. If you already have an Amazon account, select the option to sign in. You will see a screen displaying a unique activation code. Take note of this activation code. Now, grab your mobile device or computer and open a web browser. Visit the Amazon website or type in amazon.com/mytv in the address bar. Sign in to your Amazon account if you haven't already. Enter the activation code from your Smart TV into the required field. Click on the Register Device button to complete the activation process. Return to your Smart TV, where you should see a confirmation message. Your Prime Video app is now activated and ready to use. Start exploring your favorite shows and movies available on Prime Video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.